Donnie. I'm gonna tell you the worst one. You gotta catch that one right there.
I'm scared of his tail right there.
Move him out your way, look. Sorry. I'm sorry, honey. I'm so sorry. Calm down. Calm down. We're gonna calmly take you off. Wait, you're gonna hear a bunch of ruckus and watch what comes out. Hey, there's one. Got it? Oh, good job. This one, see, this one ain't got no tail at all. All right. Ready? Ooh. All right. That's good. Is there any more in there?
Nope.
All right, we got that one right there. Oh, poor thing. Don't you check it. Don't you ring dang on things neck now. All right. All right. That one right there. Did we get that one up there? I think that's the
That's the one we got.
Oh, okay.
We got first.
All right, here we go.
Here's the funny part.
Stop it, Jason! Get that thing out of my face, man! This ain't American Funny if it's video.
Yes, it is.
There you go. We can get look at a bird stuck in here. Look. Look.
Yep. He was in there the other day.
All right. This one here, Donnie.
All right.
Right there. Come here.
Don't wait this long.
You're gonna make me pee my pants. That one right there. That bird just pooped.
You're scared of
Oh. Come here, baby. Come here. Come to mama. Get it. It ran right into the fence. All right, calm down. There we go.
Spam. Get him.
Alright, so we got which one? This one over here and the no tail.
We got it.
No, we didn't get this one. Right here. That one right here. Calm down, calm down, calm down. This dang old bird keeps flying up inside my head. For real. Alright. Calm down. Stay calm.
He's not supposed to be in there.
Go. Yes, you
That little
did.
guy right there.
Got it? Just one more.
This one don't have no purple stuff.
All of them don't have to have it. We're just the
Oh.
ones with the feathers. All right.
This one
This
needs,
bird, where does bird come from?
these need some more on the very tail.
All right, we'll get, oh yeah, I'll get that one. Let me get a, let me
Johnny jumped in and he grabbed him.
let me out of here, Donnie, because I can't stand up.
Kiss it.
He was like a predator. He grabbed him.
Don't spray me now.
All right.
Because I'm backwards.
All right. All right.
Kiss me.
This one right here. Donnie. Will you stop? This one right here. Catch this one. Right there. No, I can't do that. It'll get in my face.
You got to spray up under his tail.
Sorry, little girl. All right. Come here,
Catch
Jan.
this
You want
one?
to catch one?
Oh man, it's too.
Come on, Jan. Don't be scared.
I'm freezing. I'm going in that.
Check one. Here, hold that. This one right here is the nice one.
These guys are crazy, man.
Here you go, Jay. Here, Jan.
What do you want to do with it?
Come get
Yeah,
it.
you want me to
Pet
let it out?
No, you
No.
can pet it.
I ain't gonna touch it.
Here. I don't want to
No,
touch it.
it's locked.
We're locked in.
No, Lisa, don't, because if he gets out, we're going to be chasing
You
him.
got him on video hollering at me, right? There we go. We'll do it again.
Well, if you let him out, you're going to be chasing it by your damn self, I'm telling you.
Oh, Lord.